Different perspectives on dentistry from various professions. Dentistry encompasses a diverse array of perspectives that shape its practice and evolution. From traditional approaches emphasizing preventive care and restorative treatment to modern advancements in cosmetic dentistry and digital technologies. This field is a dynamic collaboration of science, artistry, and patient-centered care. To further understand and capture a wide range of perspectives on dentistry, here are different interviewees with various professions to share to us their understanding of the role of dentists in healthcare. The interviewees requested in sharing their ideas through audio recording given their busy and conflicting schedules. What is your understanding of the role of dentists in healthcare?
So, as a person, it is our responsibility. Our oral health care is our responsibility by brushing our teeth, by flossing, and such. But then dentists are there to conduct checkups, to conduct complex procedures that will further improve our oral health care and to prevent future pain or danger that we may encounter regarding our healthcare.
Dentists are healthcare professionals who are responsible for diagnosing, examining, and treating oral health problems. Another main role of a dentist is to educate people or their patients on how to properly take care of their oral health, like giving them hygiene practices.
So, in my understanding, the role of dentists in healthcare is that they provide tooth care so that we won't get these diseases that can be more serious if left untreated. I believe that it's a really complex job because it can cause serious conditions both pathologically and physiologically. In addition to this, most people really neglect their teeth to a point that it might produce a chronic condition in the near future.
Dentists play a wide variety of roles and responsibilities in healthcare. They're the ones who give oral healthcare instructions, guidance, health teachings. They're the ones who treat and diagnose oral health conditions. They're also the ones who perform surgeries, and they give preventive and restorative care, oral care to patients.
Have you tried previously collaborating with a dentist in patient management?
In my experience, I haven't collaborated with a dentist in patient management.
No, I haven't collaborated with a dentist because it's not related to my work field.
I do have, since I worked in the laboratory back when I was an intern. I have done tests for a patient who's going to have a dental procedure, which was about their blood levels and as well as their coagulation test.
And yes, I have a lot of times. I have referred a lot of patients to our clinic, our dental clinic.
How about in other professional contexts? Have you collaborated with the dentist?
Within my field, we are not directly correlated with dentists, but then we have our insurance, we have our benefits that may connect us with dentists during our checkups.
No, I haven't collaborated with a dentist in other professional contexts.
For this one as well, yes, I had done this as well, but it was back when I was working as a call center agent. It was about the patient. The dentist is asking about the health insurance of the patient, if the procedures the dentist is about to do will be covered or not, as well as there are other things such as like medical claims.
Yes, I think so. I have referred a lot of patients to dentists. I have asked dentists regarding my patient's case and the diet of the patient, the proper diet of the patient. I have asked advices to dentists like how to properly care for the teeth and the mouth of the patient undergoing or who has recently undergone an oral surgery.
Lastly, how do you envision your profession collaborating with dentists in patient care?
Okay. As I mentioned in the previous question, as employees, we do have insurance that covers our oral healthcare needs, and with the collaboration, maybe to further cater more, further cater more procedures or surgeries in order to improve our healthcare as employees in our field.
Just like how a dentist educate his or her patients the importance of or giving them hygiene practices, I think as a teacher I can also collaborate by doing the same thing. I can educate my students the importance of like keeping our oral health or like the importance of like taking care of our oral health. I think in that way I can tell my students that it is very important to see a dentist regularly, because if we can't take care of our teeth well, the dentist can give us tips or they can like help us in achieving like the perfect smile or like good oral health.
Okay, so since dentistry has surgery operations as well as cleaning operations, I can really tell that my profession collaborates well with dentistry since we both have one thing in common, and that is healthcare.
Well, there are dental nurses. It is very, not very, but it is also common in the Philippines. Dental nurses also performs roles, same with other special areas nga. Dental nurses, they also provide healthcare teachings and instructions to patient. They also provide home instructions, and I think the importance of effective interaction between the dentist and the dental nurse is really important, and it is highlighted in every scenario, not just in the dental area. Also, dental nurses is an essential member of the dental team. Why? Because the dental nurses, they're the ones who help carry out doctor's orders regarding medication and regarding procedures.
After conducting the interview, I can safely say that despite whether the professions are medical or non-medical related, these professionals have the proper understanding on the role of dentists in healthcare. Although I have noticed that the non-medical related professionals took more time in answering the question about collaboration, which was understandable since both of their field of work entails no interaction with dentists. On the other hand, the registered medical technologist and registered nurse have shared interesting ideas with regards on their collaboration with dentists. One thing that was notable in this interview was about the other professional task mentioned by the registered medical technologist when working as a call center agent. It is amazing to think that dentists can also collaborate with the professionals working under the BPO industry, which is abundant in our country. That would be all. Thank you.